Hi everyone, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Live Fan Mail. Today I'm participating in Flippin Friday being hosted by Jammie from Board or Bananas. I'll put link to Jammie's channel in the description box of this video along with the playlist that she has created. Today I'm doing two flips, so I'm using items that I had at home. These were decor items and one had lost its luster and was not used for a long time. I was thinking of painting it or throwing it, so I thought of giving it one shot before discarding it. The second item, I have been using it for decor, but I want to change the look now. I'm done with this seasonal decor. I want a new look for it. So two flips. Let's go ahead with the video. And if you're new to this channel, I love doing lots of DIYs. I love doing lots of budget DIY, taking something ordinary and giving it a new purpose, new use, and making it look beautiful as well. Everything that's related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel and do hit that bell icon twice so that you're notified each time I post my video. Now here is a little rolling pin. This was actually a toy rolling pin and I am now using it for decor, but because nobody plays with this anymore, so I just added, initially I made this for Valentine's and then I redid this for the summer decor and the spring decor along with some other decors that I did in green, polka dots and Raiden kind of fonts. I added a ribbon. Now to give it a change, to flip it, I'm first going to remove the existing decor, and this time I was smarter. I just used a colored paper and I simply added it over the surface, so that gives me a chance to change the decor much easily. So when I did the Valentine's, I had painted it white and had written the word hug over it, but now I'm become wiser. Instead of painting the words or everything directly on this wooden piece, what I'll do is I'll paint it white and I'll just simply attach paper over it and give it a new decor for every season. So first thing, I'm going to paint this again white, and this time I'm also going to paint this edge, this thing, because it's very dark otherwise and doesn't show much in the decor. So this curved side I'm going to add some more white acrylic paint, leaving a little rim between this portion and this. Now while my rolling pin is drying, the second coat dries, I'll prepare the paper. So I've taken a paper which is of the same width as the center portion. There are two grooves on the sides which I have not painted, and I've painted the other curved sides. Now I'll take a paper which is of the same width as the center portion, and the length is such that it will roll over and can overlap slightly at the back. So I have written with pencil slightly thankful, and I'm going to use some felt tip pens to further embellish it. Now as this rolling pin paint is dry, I'm going to attach the paper here like this. It's a white background paper, so it will not show once properly fixed, and at the back I'm going to secure it tight and snug over it with some glue or some tape. Now with this thankful already attached here, I'm taking this satin ribbon with white polka dots on orange, and I'm going to make a tiny little bow here. and it's ready for decor for upcoming fall. Isn't this the cutest, brightest and the most cheerful rolling pin in fall theme? It's just so beautiful. I'm so thankful for all the blessings in my life and all your support. I love this. I'm getting ready for fall decor, it looks like. This is so pretty, so cute. Let me know what you think about this. Now this is a pitcher or a mug in metal and it's got a glass base here and it's beautiful, it's heavy, and this was a memento or a gift that was given to my husband few long years, many years back, and it has some inscriptions here and I've used it for decor. It is I like the shape. It looks like a mug, it looks like a pewter, but over time it has lost its color, its lustre, and I've tried polishing it, but it doesn't get back to that silver look that it had in the beginning. There was also a logo which I took off forcefully with a screwdriver. Now I tried different things. I tried washing it with soap and water, warm water, and I have also tried silver X or silver polishing chemical solutions. Even toothpaste also I have tried and that hasn't worked on this. So my last try, I'm going to use some lemon juice or vinegar and try to polish this. They work great with copper and bronze, but I don't know if this will work. At least a little color, because honestly I don't want to paint this piece. I want that metal thing to be there. I don't want to paint it. So let's see if I can use this again still in my decor without having to paint it. So here is some lemon juice and I'm taking a little cotton and let's try. I think it's not pure silver, it must be some kind of alloy, and if you have some idea how to clean this, please leave that in the comment section below. This would be really helpful if I can get back that silver finish of this. I would really appreciate your help. Okay, something is definitely happening, either it's dirt or something. Well, after all those elbow grease and my experiments, this is so far, this is the improvement from that blackish old look. Now at least it looks nice and polished. It's got that golden color of antique silver. It's polished but still looks a bit antique, but it looks nice at least. So now I would like to use it for decor. In my next step, I took this old lace. It's a pretty lace and has this subtle bluish or lavender color to it. The contrast is not showing that great, so I thought of taking a little piece of paper which is purple in color. First I decided to attach the paper onto the pewter itself and then apply the lace. So now the color difference is very well enhanced and the pattern of lace is also visible very well. So I'm just going to use some clear tape and attach it by just folding one portion of the lace over the other and just fix it. So my pewter is again safe. I'm happy with how the pewter is shining now. Next I decided to add a little jute rope in the center, so I've taken a string of jute rope and I'm binding it around. I just did it twice so that it's a thin strip between, and I brought it on the facing side so that the handle is also visible, and here I'm going to tie a little bow, a simple bow. Flowers can make everything look so special. I think this mug or pewter has turned out beautiful. Now you can see the shine, the dark black thing is gone, and I think I was wise in not painting it. This looks beautiful, it looks special, it looks antique. It is really nice. And it's looking so beautiful with fresh flowers that I got from my evening walk, and I added them in this with some water in it. And I have also added some artificial paper, fall leaves here. Somehow this all goes well, so well. And here is also the rolling pin, my first DIY that you saw, and I think both the flips together look beautiful. Do let me know what you think about my today's decor and today's two flips for this Friday in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I thank you so much for all your support and time, and I'll see you soon in the next video, in my next DIY. Until then, be positive, be creative, and be happy.